I was put on pharmaceuticals, I was put on antidepressants to help me with the seizures, and they just made me worse in the end. And I'd reached a point where I felt like pharmaceuticals had failed me and I had to do something different. And at that point, my diet was really bad. And when I say that, I don't mean that it was full of junk. I mean that I wasn't eating hardly anything. I was very fussy, I was very underweight. And then the withdrawals that I was going through with the antidepressants caused me to have very severe food aversions and nausea for years. So I was not eating well, and I knew I needed to eat to get better. And I sort of started on this journey of learning how to incorporate whole foods into my diet. And the more I improved my diet, the better I became. So I always sort of say, food helped me where pharmaceuticals failed, and I was able to slowly regain my health and balance my hormones. And